Welcome to swim class. Step 1, master the basic strokes. Step 2, always stay afloat. And step 3, just keep kicking. You are ready to dive in. It's normal to be afraid of water at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll feel confident. Just take it one step at a time. Before you know it, you'll be swimming. So, you're ready to swim, but where do you start? The first step is getting comfortable in the water. An instructor can guide you through the basics. Soon, you'll be swimming with confidence. All right, let's learn how to swim. First, you need to dive right in. Second, make sure to stay afloat. Third, master your kicks. But what about the deep water? You need to know your limits. Always look for safety signs. Diving in unprepared can be dangerous. Stay safe and stay in the shallow end. Today, let's learn how to swim. First, grab your goggles. Next, put on a cap. Now, just jump right in.
Let's start with the basics. Take a deep breath. Gently lower your face into the water. Now, blow small bubbles steadily. This helps you relax. Now let's try the horizontal float. Just relax and let the water push you up. Step 3 is the flutter kick. Grab the pool edge and start kicking. Keep your legs straight and relaxed. This generates steady power. Great job!
Now, let's learn how to breathe underwater. Exhale steadily through your nose and mouth. Arrows show the air escaping. This keeps you calm and safe. Practice this continuous flow. Step 4. Tilt your head up to inhale. Clear your mouth above the surface. Take a quick, deep breath. Relax and level your head. You are ready to continue. Step 5. Master your body's buoyancy. A full breath helps you float naturally. But what if I sink? Worrying is the quickest way to sink. Panic makes your muscles tense up. Stay calm and stay afloat. When you relax, your body naturally becomes buoyant. These upward arrows represent the force of buoyancy. See, your body floats. Step 6, practice your grip and body position. Hold the pool edge and lower your face. Let your legs float up behind you. Keep your body straight and streamlined. Now, let's start the alternated flutter kick. Kick rapidly from your hips, not your knees. Keep your ankles relaxed to whip through the water. This generates. Now compare the wrong kick with the correct kick. Initiate movement from hips, not knees. Relaxed ankles whip through the water. This gives steady propulsive power. Keep your body streamlined. Step 8, master the freestyle arm strokes. Pull your hand back in an S-shaped pattern. Relax your arm with a high elbow recovery. Roll your body with each stroke. Smooth movements make you a better swimmer.
To swim fast, don't just push your hands. You need to pull the water straight back. This propels your body forward. Regular practice is the key to success.